Set of 3 coastal kitchen bathroom towels, flip-flops, sunglasses, and beachy vibes. Playful touch for summer with a coastal charm. What I like, they're 16 by 24, so they're pretty big, and the print is on both sides. They're compact, they're lightweight, and they're going to be easy to drape on my oven door, my towel rack, or in a basket. I really like them. 3 things I love: bright coastal design. I love the prints. Blue and white is my tone. Beachy graphic design. It's going to liven up my lake house or a beach house or a coastal room, or even if you're just dreaming of a vacation. But surprisingly soft. They're made from polyester, and they're going to be great for light drying or decor use. You're not going to be really wiping down yourself after a bath with these, or your car. They have a high gifting potential. They would make a great little seasonal gift or a hostess add-on gift. They're festive, they're affordable, and they're really practical. Final verdict: these towels are going to bring a beach day energy to the kitchen or a bath. They're functional, festive, and full of charm. It is a simple way, simple way to make everything feel more like a summer vacation.